Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to ND video update today. And I made a post some few days ago on Discord, and I don't know if you're not on Discord, but check the comment section because I'm going to give you the open invitation link. I do this thing known as trade ideas. So trade ideas are ideas for traders who don't want to actually check the market the whole time. Now I did post ND back on 25th of August, and I said look at ND, right? So this was the trade idea itself. And once I posted this one, I actually did expect that it's going to drop down, and this was a 47% drop. We're talking about $470 in profit, $470 in profit if you took this with $1,000, right? And if you're leveraging it, that's a whole different thing. And like imagine a 10x, and that's like $4,700. Holy man. So the thing is that 20% down so far with ND, and then we saw ND some few days later. It's actually dropping to the downside. That was from 322 to 257, 20%. And then the rest is just history and what's going on. Not only that, but I've actually even posted another coin which was known as Vite, and Vite was about to drop 32% down. It was trading at 0.02367. If we go back, this is ND, and ND is sitting at 204. So that was pretty much a drop of nearly, right now it's 38% down. 38% down, okay? The next thing was Vite. So if I do check Vite out, this is another trade idea which you could have actually taken on Discord. So if I do take this and I show you that, look at that, all right? Where is Vite at the moment? It was at 0.023 at that time, and I gave all the references. So this was nearly a drop right now, 21% down already. So this was posted. You can see the price was here. And also I gave you the idea that it's an ascending broadening wedge, and this is the break to the downside, right? Pretty much everything matches right over there. Okay, logical implemented is really, really easy, cheap money right over there. It's on Discord, and the invitation link is in the comment section. So what else is there to talk about? Well, this is your technical target. I'm just going to leave it as simple as it is. You have the symmetrical triangle. You broke below, you retested, you failed, and it's going to go down, and that's where you're going to come down to. So what's the price? The price is pretty much going to be 161 level. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.